In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok isn't responding error on your smartphone. So if you are experiencing this, where when you try to open your TikTok app, it's not responding, then just follow these steps to fix this. So first, go back to your smartphone and then look for your TikTok app. And here is my TikTok app. You need to access TikTok app info page, and you can do this by just long pressing your TikTok app, and you should see app info to troubleshoot it. If you don't see this app info option, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app to access it. So if I tap on app info, I'll be taken to this TikTok app information page. Alternatively, you just go to settings, and then from settings, look for apps, and then manage apps or all apps. Then search for TikTok. And here it is. We are on the same app info page. Now, first thing to do is to force stop this app by typing on force stop app. If you see that option here, then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally OK. Once you're done, now go to app permissions and make sure that all permissions are enabled, such as camera. All these are permissions. Make sure they are enabled. So tap on each and tap on allow here. Do the same for the other options as well. Now from here, you'll need to restart your smartphone, and now once you have restarted your smartphone, your app now should open when you tap on it. So that's how you can fix TikTok app isn't responding on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.